Your digital product is not selling, and it is probably not the product. Reason 1. No one knows it exists. You built it and waited. Waiting is not a strategy. You need one piece of content per week pointing directly at it. Reason 2. Your price is wrong. Too cheap signals low value. Too expensive with no trust built first kills the sale. The sweet spot depends on your audience warmth and your proof. Reason 3. No social proof. 0 reviews. 0 testimonials. Give your product to 10 people free. Ask for honest feedback. Those 10 responses become your sales page. Reason 4. No follow-up. 60% of sales happen after the first contact. 1 email. No follow-up. You left money on the table every single time. Fix one thing this week. Traffic, pricing, proof, or follow-up. One fix. Test it, then move to the next. Which of these 4 is the problem with your product right now? Drop it below. Subscribe. The build is already in motion.